Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Alcatel 1SE Lite for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open settings. It's that gear icon in the drawer, and then scroll down and find the accessibility. Here you can change the font size to as big as possible, and keep in mind that all of those settings that we're going to change is a personal thing, so you might decide not to enable a few of them or change a few of them. Then there's a dark theme, which I would suggest to enable, and it makes your phone much darker, and then it's quite pleasant to look at, and because when it's white then it's quite annoying and it damages your eyes. Then we can also activate the magnification with triple tap, so that means we can magnify and zoom into the text or icons if we can't see them, but make sure that it's enabled. Yep, now we can triple tap on our phone and zoom begins, and now to zoom out, triple tap again, and what signifies that we're in the zoom, you can see this orange outlines on the phone. Now let's go back, and the last thing we should do is to go to the system, enter the gestures, and here make sure that all of them are off, because it's quite annoying when you use your phone and sometimes you accidentally open something and you have no idea what it is, and this happens when you have gestures enabled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.